Watch the videos. We're using a classic cast iron here today. This is a Griswold number 9, and these are super old. If you find one in good condition, buy it. The old Griswold. Not all pans are created equal. I'll give you a few reasons why you need to buy a pan like this. Number 1, the balance, the weight, the usability, the fact that iron is good for your diet. Pour spouts, not too thick, not too heavy. It's got some stampings on the bottom showing you it's authentic. Also, it's not the crap made in China. This is the really, really good stuff. There were many, many companies making these pans in the USA. Back in the old days, when people were cooking on cast iron stoves, it was the same companies making these pans. Super high quality. Even the hole where you would hang it up, the handle, it's beveled. It's beautiful. All right, so there's a bunch of reasons why if you find one of these, you need to just snatch it up and buy it. This one's really, really nice. Want to see more cast iron cooking recipes? Search the channel, especially Dutch ovens. We got a bunch of cast iron Dutch oven recipes. Subscribe right here. Oh yeah, check out the Chef's Butcher Block. Oh, it's only the best made, and it's still made in the USA. Wow, this one here is a 4-inch end grain, and of course what we're talking about is the boost blocks. Contact the sponsor. They've got the hookup for you there. Save money. Don't you like to save money? Yeah. Improve your cooking. The chef's recipes. Save money. Get the best products made. Buy the best the first time. Exactly. And just like pancakes, they're ready to be turned when bubbles appear and they start to pop. Also, I noticed the pan heat transfer is much better, and these come out better after you make several of them. That's what I'm looking for. This is the improved design. Thanks for watching. Get them at your sponsor right there. While you're there, shop the Butcher Blocks. Perfect gift. Perfect gift. Oh yeah. Let's get cooking. It's gonna be good. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Caesar salad with vegetables and grilled chicken. It's going to be good. Good. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Please share the recipe. If you drop a comment, you'll be like a hero. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money. Free shipping, no tax. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout the videos. Contact the sponsor and save money, free shipping, no tax.